As usual, I forgot to get a true before photo. Here I'd already taken the back off and painted the shelves using DIY paint in cake batter. I wanted a light to dark base coat on the entire piece, so I started with vintage linen on the bottom. I then worked up to using crinoline at the midway point, then prairie gray, and finally layered chocolate on the top. Once the base coat dried, I used a simple putty knife to apply the same colors I used for the base. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Just keep applying in random directions until you achieve the texture you want and you like the way it looks. Next, I created a wash by watering down the color Weathered Wood. I didn't measure, but it was probably close to 50-50 water to paint. Then you simply brush it on over the entire cabinet. The piece needs to be completely dry before you move on to the next step, which is going to seem kind of weird when we get there. I now take a bucket of water and a soft cloth. I wear gloves to do this because the paint can stain your hands. Wiping back the insides of the doors and drawers give a clean finished look when you open them. This wet distressing method brings out all of that lovely texture and color variation that you applied with the putty knife. The whole point of the wash is to soften the edges of the colors a little bit, to give you a softer look. Be careful when wet distressing, as once you reactivate that paint with water, it's very easy to wipe it right off, and you don't want to do that. Next, again using this handy putty knife, I just scrape the edges to give that natural distressed look. Once it was completely dry, I sealed the whole piece with DIY Paint's Big Top Clear Coat for a durable satin finish. Just a little bit of time and paint with some fun and easy techniques turn this found at the dump cabinet into a useful piece of furniture. It now houses the 9 new DIY paint colors. I hope this video inspires you to try a new paint technique yourself. For more tips and tricks, sign up for one of our workshops at sentimentalsalvage.ca. Thanks for watching and happy painting!